Okay, so we're going to do synthetic division from DeltaMath. 3x cubed plus 13x squared plus 19x plus 9 divided by x plus 1. So because it says x plus 1, we're going to put whatever makes this equal 0, which is -1. So the -1 goes out here. And then all the coefficients, you line up here, the coefficients. So this 3, the 13, the 19, and the 9. We're going to put those here. 3, 13, 19, and 9. So that's how you start off with the setup. The first number goes straight down. Okay, so from here to here, we're going to multiply and then subtract. Multiply, subtract. Multiply, subtract. Check it out. So let's multiply from these numbers to these numbers. So what's -1 times 3? -3. And then -13 minus 3 is 10. Then you do -1 times 10, which is -10. I said subtract. It's actually add. Sorry. So 19 minus 10 is 9. Then we do -1 times 9. That gives us -9. So to get these numbers, we're just multiplying all of our answers by -1. And what's 9 minus 9? 0. The last number is your remainder. So guess what? Our remainder is 0. So the final answer is just these are the coefficients of our answer. Since our highest exponent is 3, our answer is going to start with the highest exponent of 2. Just drop down 1, okay? So it's going to be 3x squared plus 10x plus 9. That's our answer. So we just divided. Instead of using long division, we use synthetic division. And it's like a shortcut. Okay? Let's do another one. Okay. So now let's do 4x to the 4th plus 6x to the 3rd plus 7x squared plus 15x plus 10. This whole wonderful polynomial divided by x plus 1. We're going to divide by x plus 1 again. Okay. So remember the setup. You make this L thing. Whatever makes this, we're dividing by x plus 1. So whatever makes this equal 0, which would make x -1. So the -1 comes out here. And then all of your coefficients, they're going to line up right here. So our first coefficient, 4, 6, 7, 15, and 10. Okay, now the 4, the first number, always goes straight down. And then we multiply to get from here to here. So, -1 times 4 is -4. 6 minus 4 is 2. Negative 1 times 2 is negative 2. 7 minus 2 is 5. Negative 1 times 5 is negative 5. 15 minus 5 is 10. Negative 1 times 10 is negative 10. 10 minus 10 is 0. So we have another remainder of 0. So remember, these are the coefficients of our answer. Since the highest exponent is 4, our answer will start with the highest exponent of 3. So that's answer is 4x cubed plus 2x squared plus 5x and then plus 10. That's it. That's our answer. So that's synthetic division from DeltaMath level 1. So level 1 because there's no remainder. So in level 2, we'll see maybe what to do if there is a remainder.